All right, guys, I got a quick one for you today. I have done segments on my supplements, but a lot of you told me it can seem a bit overwhelming, which I totally get it, it can. So I thought I would show you in real time what it looks like for me, right? So I've got 2 krill oils. I take these in the morning for the omega-3 benefits because quite honestly, I don't get enough of the one omega-3 that comes from wild-caught fish. I'm just not eating enough wild-caught salmon or small cold fish like sardines. I'm not getting enough of it. I get the 2 plant-based omegas, but not enough of the 3rd omega. Contrary to popular belief, you cannot make enough of the marine omega from just plant-based. Long story, I can do a video on it if you want. Bottom line, I take 2 krill. Why krill? Because krill is more stable. It doesn't spoil the way fish oil does. And you don't need to worry that it's coming from big predatory fish with high levels of things like mercury. So krill oil, omega-3s. Look, not too bad at all, right? So I take those in the morning. And if you want to, now you don't have to add this. I add this because I'm a bit crazy, but I take a synbiotic from Alaya Naturals. Synbiotic, it's prebiotics and probiotics together. And the reason I take this and don't just get the bacteria from my food is because the bacteria in their particular symbiotic are human strains that naturally reside in human beings that you aren't gonna find in your food, right? So I replenish them with a symbiotic from Alaya Naturals. All right, I take a vitamin D with D3 and K2. I have no investment in this brand. It's called Solaray. I take the D3 with the K2 because I avoid the sun. I hide from the sun. I do not want sun damage. Okay. I take 15 milligrams of zinc with a little bit of copper every single day just to help boost my immunity, manage my thyroid function, of course, and a host of other health benefits that come from zinc. So now, you can spread these out over the course of your day, right? You can take 2 in the morning, 1 at lunch, 1 at night, you can take them all together. Now this is where things get a little more complicated. So, protein powder. I take whey, but I get whey with my food. So I do grass-fed whey with branched chain aminos, but I work it into smoothies, brownie bowls, bake with it. So the collagen I take so I take a multi-collagen peptide product that also has MSM Glucosamine chondroitin. So I get all the benefits because it's multi-collagen. So everything from gut lining, hair, skin, and nails, heart health, joint support, all of it. This is my product. Now, I make this for 4 days, right? But I do it for me and my girlfriend, so I really usually put 8 scoops in there. But let's say you were gonna do this for yourself for the week, so you don't need to think about it, right? So you put it in a little shaker, and why don't you do 7 scoops, okay? 7 servings. So I just lost count. Let's presume this is it. This is 7, right? So you don't need to make this every day. You don't need to think about it. You're gonna do it in a shot. So I've got multi-collagen with MSM Glucosamine chondroitin. Now I take a Super Greens product. Totally organic. Why am I taking this? Because it has an adaptogen blend, it has an antioxidant blend, it has a Super Greens blend, so I'm getting all the micronutrients, all the fiber. It even has a probiotic and prebiotic blend, but it has a different strain than the Alaya Symbiotic. So I take this product and I do the exact same, right? So let's say you're making it for the week, put 7 servings in a shaker bottle, right? Oh, you guys know the parrot lives in the kitchen. I've told you this, so you're prepared. All right, so I just do 7 scoops, right? And there's one more product coming up that we're gonna put in here. You'll notice a theme. The theme is, how can I get the most out of one product so I don't have to take 20 more things? I lost count again because I'm talking. So let's say we'll call this 7, 1 more scoop, right? Okay. So this is my organic Alaya Naturals green superfood. And what's the theme? It has adaptogens. Don't need a separate adaptogen product. It has an antioxidant blend. Don't need a separate antioxidant product. It has all my green superfoods. I don't need a separate product for that. It has pro and prebiotics. The only reason I take a separate symbiotic is because it's different strains of microbes. So I am a little intense about it. as you know, prebiotic fiber. So I get all that in one product, okay? Now, this one is actually a product called Miracle Reds, but when I open it, the label is plastic, it always comes off. So there's no intention to hide anything from here. Also, zero investment in this product. I take the Reds because this has the resveratrol, the makwai berry, basically everything I get in the greens, I get with all the red stuff. So beets, carrots, resveratrol, all the red stuff comes in this bad boy. I wish I had the label on here and hadn't unfortunately ripped it off, but I'm covering all my bases, right, with these 3 products, essentially, for the most part. You really don't need more. I take those pills to go with this stuff, but I'm gonna show you how easy this regimen can be. So you've done this, right? Now let's say you did this once out of 7 days. You went through this process. And you see it doesn't take that long. Although it's probably boring the hell out of you right now, especially since I'm down to the bottom of the... Or you can tell I really do take these supplements because they're empty. Okay, now then, if you want to add something to it, I add a little pomegranate juice only because pomegranate juice is really, really good for your microbiome. I don't add a ton because it's loaded with calories, so I just add a little bit. Let's say you do about 2 shots worth, right? Because remember, this is over 7 days. And then from here, if you want to get crazy and add banana stuff, like any of the other things, you absolutely can. I just add water. Super simple. I have 7 days of all 3 of these supplements pre-mixed, right? And remember, adaptogens, you're gonna get your reishi, your ashwagandha, your turmeric, all that exotic stuff that you read about that you're like, oh my God, I can't take 100 things. It's all going to be in these 3 products right here. You make it once, it's taking me 7 minutes to make, right? And that's it. And then you distribute that over the course of your week. So you got about 7 servings here. So I pour about 1/7 of that in here and just get it down. I'm not telling you it's going to taste like heaven on earth, but you're gonna look and feel amazing. So there's that. Ready? Here we go. I mean, halfway there. Done. Whew, that's mud. Yeah. Oh boy. Woohoo. Oh man. Make sure to rinse your teeth so you don't look like you crawled out of a swamp. Yes, people, team. That's how easy it can be. And then just take this monster, pop it in your fridge, and you are good to go for your entire week. Ta-da! Okay, team, don't forget, I created this channel just for you guys. So click like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear more about. If it's diet, fitness, wellness, mindfulness, I'm here for you. So give me your feedback.